CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, Moisturizing Face Wash for Dry Skin, Hyaluronic Acid plus Ceramides plus Glycerin, Hydrating Cleanser for Normal to Dry Skin, National Eczema Association Certified. Hydrating Face Wash. Daily face wash with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin to help hydrate skin without stripping moisture. Removes face makeup, dirt, and excess oil, provides 24-hour hydration and leaves a moisturized, non-greasy feel. Eczema Face Wash. Non-foaming cleanser for dry skin with a lotion-like consistency, feels smooth as it cleanses, even on sensitive, dry skin. Fragrance-free, paraben-free, non-comedogenic and non-drying. Certified by the National Eczema Association. Multi-use gentle cleanser. Cream cleanser for face and or body and can be used as a hand wash. Suitable for daily cleansing morning, AM, and night, PM, for normal to dry skin. Skincare for dry skin. 3 essential ceramides. Ceramides are found naturally in the skin and make up 50% of the lipids in the skin barrier. All CeraVe products, formulated with 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6, 2, to help maintain the skin's natural barrier. Developed with dermatologists and #1 dermatologist recommended skincare brand. CeraVe skincare is developed with dermatologists and has products suitable for dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, acne-prone, and more.